Hi Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your love, soulmate and twin flame connection energy reading for the month of September 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you Aquarius, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. Also Aquarius, if this message does not resonate with you, you may consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. Any of those messages may resonate with you Aquarius. On today's reading here Aquarius, I'll be checking up onto both of your energy and your person energy, as well as pulling up some channel messages from your person towards the end of the reading. So please watch until the end of the reading. So let's go into your reading here Aquarius. On this side here is your energy and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming up for you here Aquarius, I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. I'm also getting a very strong water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now let's look at into your energy here Aquarius. I'm getting a very strong of confusion energy and suppressed emotion or suppressed feeling, especially with this moon energy coming up here. Some of you here Aquarius have been heavily affected due to the full moon energy here, and I feel like there are a lot of emotions starting to come out, I would say here Aquarius, especially your fear, your anxiety, some sort of like triggers, I would say here, triggering your anxiety, triggering your fear, triggering some of you here also are having a very strong anger issues coming up here as well. Overall energy that I'm getting coming up is that there are a lot of emotions that's starting to come out here. A lot of suppressed emotion and a lot of hidden emotion is what I'm getting coming up here, which is why I'm also getting a very strong feeling conflicted or inner conflicts energy coming up here quite strongly here Aquarius as well. It's like you are almost in fight, or you are almost in conflict constantly within yourself here is what I'm getting coming up here Aquarius, because it's like one minute you could just feeling really good, and then another minute here you could be feeling down, you could be feeling angry, you could be feeling frustrated. There are a lot of emotions starting to come out all at once here Aquarius. And another thing that I've got coming up from your side here is that, especially with this two of swords energy coming up here, a very strong confusion energy is also another thing that I picked up coming up here. I do feel like some of you here Aquarius haven't really been in communication with your person, or for some reason I'm getting like on and off communication at this time. The communication between you and your person have definitely been affected for quite a while, I would say here, which is why making you feeling confused or leaving you in this confusion stage, I would say here, where you are constantly doubting and you are constantly questioning about things. Now some of you here Aquarius, the reason why you have this very strong confusion energy here is that because of the trust issues is also another thing that I've got coming up here, in a sense that I feel like you are constantly doubting yourself, you're constantly doubting the connection. It's like you are always having this second thought on yourself. You're like, is this the person that I'm supposed to be with? Do they actually really honest with me? There are just a lot of questions within yourself here Aquarius, and I feel like all of this doubt and all of these questions within yourself here is actually being caused by yourself here Aquarius. It's like you are, of course you are already healing, or you're trying to heal a certain trauma or a certain pain that you've been keeping within yourself here, but for some reason it's just keep on coming up here. Especially the last full moon energy here has been a huge impact on you, especially in a form of like all of these emotions suddenly coming out of nowhere is what I'm getting coming up here Aquarius. I feel like one thing that you need to be focusing on yourself here from now until the end of the September, because we're also going to be having a Mercury retrograde energy coming up here as well. You need to address all of this suppressed emotion, you need to address all of this hidden emotion, like all of this emotion that you've been running away from is what I'm getting coming up here, because the confusion and the conflict energy that I've got coming out from you, the major cause for that here, because that you've been running away or you've been avoiding a certain emotion or certain feelings is what I'm getting coming up here Aquarius. Now let's look at into your person energy here. First thing that I've got coming out from your person here, especially with this magician energy here, is that manifesting. Even though some of them here, Aquarius, may not really understand the term of manifestation or law of attraction, I feel like they've been thinking about the time, or they've been thinking about the future where both of you will be together, like being a family together, having a stable and committed long-term stable relationship here. Because one thing that I've got coming up from your person here is that a very strong fear energy, especially in the form of like, what if that you are never going to what if you are never going to accept them back. It's like every time they're thinking about you, or every time they're thinking about approaching you here, the fear that they have here is that for those of you who are currently in a separation, they are having the fear of what if when they approach you, you are going to reject them. And for those of you who are together here, the fear that they have within themselves, or what is causing them to feel quite irritated, I would say here, is that what if you would never understand their feeling, what if you would never understand the fear, the emotion, like all of this hidden trauma and hidden pain that they've been keeping within themselves here, Aquarius. I feel like this is what causing them to be a little bit hesitant to open up, or just like to be vulnerable in front of you here. I've got the Six of Cups energy coming up here. This is a very strong soulmate connection coming in here between both you and your person here, Aquarius. Is like, no matter what here, both of you will always be able to find a way out. Both of you will always be able to meet each other again. Like both of you are destined to be together here, is what I'm getting coming up here, Aquarius. I'm also getting a very strong moving energy coming in here as well with this Knight of Wands energy. But honestly, even though I do get a very strong fast moving energy, but I'm not really getting like a lightning speed energy coming up here, Aquarius. So a delay is definitely going to be there a little bit. Now let's look into the channel messages that I've got coming up here from your person. So I've got forgive and let go coming in here. I've got yes coming in here. And let's see, be grounded in faith. Okay, so I've got the time is not right for us. I've got you mean the world to me. I've got I know I made a mistake, be grounded in faith, and then I've got forgive and let go coming in here as well. So with this forgive and let go energy coming up here, like I said before, the fear that they have within themselves here, would you be able to forgive them? Would you be able to accept them back? So all of those questions is what they're having within themselves, within their mind at this time here. They also want you to be grounded in faith here, especially for those of you who are currently in a separation and waiting for, I'm getting also like there is a very strong distance energy coming up here, like both of you aren't physically together because of some sort of like a restriction. Could be due to the pandemic here that both of you haven't really been able to come back physically together. They want you to be able to, like be grounded in faith and stay patient here, is what I'm getting. Another thing that I've got coming up here is that the time is not right for us. I feel like I said before, it may take a little bit of time here, is what I'm getting here, Aquarius. Another thing that I've got coming up here is that I know I made a mistake. I feel like this is part of them wanting to apologize to you, or part of them here like realizing all the past mistakes that they have done towards you here. This is also another reason why I've got that they want to come towards you here. They want to communicate with you. They want to approach you. They want to apologize towards you here. But for some reason, they're afraid about your rejection here, is what I'm getting coming up quite strongly here, Aquarius. And then lastly, the channel message that I've got coming up from your person here is that you mean the world to me. So this is how they're seeing you. This is how they're feeling towards you here, Aquarius. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.